So as you can see, the Windows is finally starting. Yeah, come on. You have over here some languages, time and currency. So let's go next. Install now. Setup is starting. Come on, come on, come on. I don't have a product key, so this is to activate Windows. We don't have the product key. Windows 10 Pro. So you have these operating systems you want to install: Home, Pro, Education, etc. I'll go with Windows 10 Pro. Yeah. Wait a little bit. You always need to wait in IT. So notices and license turned. You wanna accept it. Click on next. So you have two options to install. We'll go with the custom one. We will delete all the previous partitions that were on this SSD, and we will install the new partition. And we will click on next, and now we will see you in another video when this is going to install.